In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your ElevenLabs voices for videos. If you haven't already signed up for ElevenLabs, I recommend using our affiliate link to get started. Now, let's dive into the process. First things first, you'll need to log in to your ElevenLabs account. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This dashboard is your control center, and it's from here that you can access and manage all your different projects and tools. Now, focus your attention on the left-hand panel. You'll see a variety of options. What you're looking for is the one labeled Voices. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click Voices, you'll be taken to a new section of your dashboard. Here, you'll find the My Voices tab. This tab is where all of your cloned or created voices are housed. It's an organized collection, making it easy for you to find exactly the voice you're looking to share. Spend a moment to scroll through if needed, just to get familiar with the layout if you aren't already. When you've located the voice you want to share, you'll notice a 3 dots icon next to it. This icon is quite useful as it opens up further options for that specific voice. Clicking on these 3 dots will provide you with a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option Share Voice. Now, you'll be presented with choices for who can access the voice and what level of permission you want to give them. Here, you have 3 categories to choose from: viewer, editor, or admin. Viewers can listen to the voice, editors can make changes, and admins get full control, almost like a co-owner. Take a moment to consider what role is best for the people you'll be sharing this voice with. After deciding on their role, you'll need to grant them access by adding their email to the access list. This is quite straightforward. Simply enter their email address in the designated field, and that's it. Once the email is in, you've shared your voice, and just like that, you've completed the process of sharing your ElevenLabs voice. It's a straightforward method that makes collaborations or allowing others to use your voices perfectly easy. We hope this walkthrough was clear and helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore ElevenLabs support resources. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Enjoy sharing your voices.